By the way, if you guys are able to short, you know what to do. You can see everything is falling. Now look at Apple is down almost 4% again this morning. That's what the entire yesterday did. You guys, that's 8%. 8% in 2 days for Apple. It's one of its worst situations it's ever had, just so you guys know. Right here, key critical level, you can see bounce, 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 gold. So Apple to the upside is going to be above 178.50. To the downside is going to be below 175.35. And again, VIP members and everybody else, you should know if you are starting to look at this for the day, if Apple's your jam, you should already be mapping out and charting every single critical level throughout the day, right?